It's 2:37, which means it's the perfect time of the afternoon to make popcorn. Microwave popcorn, the pinnacle of convenience. This Walmart brand stuff truly is a great value. There's a fine line when it comes to cooking microwave popcorn. Too long and you end up with a burnt mess. Too short and you end up with extra kernels. After many trials, I know exactly how long this needs to cook for. 1 minute and 50 seconds. And now we wait. Ah, the sweet sound of popping kernels, that buttery smell. There's nothing like it. 30 seconds more. Time to get out the bowl. Wait, something's wrong. It's been more than 1 second between the last 2 pops. There's still 7 seconds left on the clock. Relax, you've done this before. You know it'll turn out fine. Wait, what's that smell? A burnt kernel? The timer's over. Time for the moment of truth. It looks good. Wait, no, it can't be. A burnt kernel. How could this happen? I had the timing perfect. How could this happen?